Hi and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to look about math library for math operations. So what is this math library? So math library is offered by JavaScript, and here you can perform some mathematical task on numbers. So let me just try to show you console log math.py, and here you will get the value related to pi, which is 3.14. So this is the math library, and like this also you have some more basic operations. Let me show you. This is math.e. Let's see what we get over here. Here you will get the Euler's number. Okay, let me again show you. Euler's number. Let's see more things what you can get from math library. It's sqrt2. Okay, and here you get the square root 2. Okay, square root of 2, and then similarly you can do one more thing, which is math.sqrt12. That's the square root of half. Okay, this is the square root for 2. You should do we have some caret sign, square root of 2, and this is the square root of 1 by 2. Let me just show you. This is square root of 1 by 2. These are JavaScript's inbuilt some math objects which you can just use, and you will get the exact idea what all you need. Then there is a ln2, that is the natural logarithm of 2. Okay, let me just type natural logarithm. Natural logarithm of 2. Okay. So some values are there which you don't need to calculate by yourselves. They are stored in this math thing, and just you can do like this only. We have a logarithm of 10. Then we have some more logs, that is math dot log 2. Okay, we write 2 and we write e, and then we have console.log math.log10e. Let us just do a reload and you get some values. Okay, now the math also gives you some functions. Let me show you those functions. We have some math.round function, and if I do 2.2, let's see what is the round of this. We get 2, and if we write 2.6, we should get 3. Okay, so we have rounding functions. Then we have math.seal. Okay, we have math.seal. Let me just see. If I do a 4.4, so the nearest will be sealed. It's 5. Okay, then we have console log mat.floor, and if we have used mat.floor on 4.4, it would be 4. That's absolutely fine. And if we do mat.trunk, math.trunk, and now if we have done trunk on this, then definitely we would have got, let me just show you 4.4, and here also you get the 4. Then we have some sign thing, which if you need in your mathematical programming, then you can definitely use this thing also. My job is to show you what you can perform using uh, this thing. Let me show negative, so it's -1. If I do this let's say 0, if I do this 0, then we get 0. But if I do this 4.4, then we get 1. Okay, so this is the sign. Okay, then we have something known as power. We all know what is power, so it's POW. And here you can, if you write 2, then the power of this will be defined, it's NaN, but you need to assign what you want. You mean 2 to the power 2, then you get 4. If you say 8 to the power 2, then it's 8864. So this is how you can do this thing. And also you can do square roots if you want, math.sqrt. And here you just need, if I now write, all of you know, 64 square roots is 8, you will get the output as 8. Then we have something known as absolute to get the absolute of some value. Let me show you this as well, math.abs. In this, if I type minus 4.4, now let me get the absolute value of this as 4 by 4. So these are some of the things, and also you can have the most important function in math, which we have math.max. And max, you can get the max value whichever we supply into this. Let me just keep few values. This is minus 1. Max value will be provided. Similarly, we have the min value in math. You get this min value, you get the minimum value, whatever is available in that. And then the most important thing is we have rent. So if I do console.log, or let me show you this example using one thing which we have set interval. In this, I'm going to set one interval. Let me show console.log math.random. If you want to generate some random numbers, you will do it after every 100 milliseconds. You see, some random numbers are going on. Let me do this after every second. Some random numbers will be displayed to you. So these are some of the most important things what you can do using the math library. I hope you get the point, and definitely whatever function is really important to you, you can see from this. Definitely there are a few more functions which you can definitely find on internet, but these were some of the most used functions which I have shown you. And definitely try this thing by yourself. If you have still any doubts, then do mention me in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one.